Hi everyone, my name is Tony. Today I want to show you how to quickly change row height and column width if you're working with quite a large dataset. Manually adjusting cell sizes depending on its content can be tedious. Let me show you a quicker and easy way to do it. So if you have this as your dataset, you can manually increase the column width to fit the contents of that uh, cell or that column. Then a better way, if you have quite a large data set, you can do it like this. You click here to select the whole worksheet, and then bring this arrow in between the two cells, and then double click. Then you see you would have auto fit that data. Looks nice now. That's for the column width. Then you can do the same for the row height. You select the whole worksheet, and then bring this arrow in between 1 and 2, and then you double click. Just a minute. So in between the two, then you double click. You see now, yeah, it fits perfectly. The other way is actually to select the whole worksheet, go to this format cell, then there is a drop down where you're going to ask to change the column width or auto fit column width. Then you select auto fit column width. Yes, then you're done. Then you can select again the whole dataset, then go to format, and then auto fit row height. You see, now we have quite a clear data. If you're working with quite a large dataset, you don't have to manually increase or decrease the, the, the row height and the column width. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.